All right, hey everybody. Leek season has started here in northern Pennsylvania. It's hard to find them right now, but I'm going to show you guys how to find them this time of year at the end of February. Right now, I've already gone through and I found a few that are growing. They're under the soil right now. So, what you need to find as your indicators, as I showed you in the last video, is your seed pods. The flowering stage of them will still be above the ground. They usually make it through the winter in the snow and the ice without breaking. If not, they're laying around you. There's a lot around me right now. So as soon as you find those, it's an obvious indication that there's leeks right underneath you. So I'm just going to take the shovel, go into the ground, pull up the dirt, and just shake it out. And there they are. Two beautiful leeks. Now these ones, if anybody's already picked leeks before, you know that these little ones are those hot, zesty ones that they make the good leek dip out of and make great seasoning into them. So if you like those hot ones, now's the time to go get them. Like I said, it takes a lot of work to get something to take home with you this time of year, but to me it's kind of worth it. This is my favorite time to get them. If you have any questions about leeks ramps, as far as from seed stage to bulb stage, anything like that, send me a message. I'll try to answer the best of your questions. All right, take care guys. See you later.